Welcome back to our video series. Given the number of questions I received following some early videos I did on suppliers innovation, I tried to compile in this one some additional information on measuring innovation. As usual, feel free to contribute and add your insights to help procurement to contribute more meaningfully to drive suppliers innovation. In this video, we will review the stage gate process. At each stage, we will define a couple of relevant metrics and ask ourselves what's important to capture and what's the best way to assess the overall performance. I'll focus specifically on suppliers innovation as one element of the broader company's wide strategy. As it's a broad subject and it is easier to follow if those videos are short, we'll do it in 3 parts. The first one shall focus on step 1 and 2. This first phase is idea generation. We'll measure the volume of meaningful ideas produced by suppliers and if they are in line with the company's strategy. This first evaluation cannot be very sophisticated. It is early idea that can pass on to the next stage to be developed into concepts and can be evaluated for their technical feasibility and market potential. So to develop metrics in this phase, first, make sure you understand fundamentals of your company and business. Amongst other things, focus on unanswered customer needs, technology evolution, operational issues, zone of probable efficiencies. Then, ask yourself questions specific to the ideas you will assess. How radical is the idea? How big or how important could it be? What kind of impact would it have on customers, on the competition, on the whole industry? How big is the potential market? Would customer want it? How much would they care about it? From those elements, you can derive a first set of metrics. Again, it's not a one-size-fits-all, but more ideas you can expand within your company. Just start building your own list. On the initial ideas past the first stage, they will be developed into business cases to assess the different elements. The focus will be to assess market potential, feasibility, funding requirements, amongst other things. Proof of concept, prototype development might be needed to answer some of those questions. So, ask yourself questions specific to the ideas you will assess. How feasible is this? How mature is the technology? Do we have the resources, the competencies, the capabilities to make it happen with these suppliers? Do we have the distribution channels to bring this to the market? Or do we need to partner? Then, again, you can develop your own list of metrics thinking about the first question we've asked ourselves for this phase. I gave you a list, but feel free to expand it further. Now that we have covered the first 2 innovation phases, it would be good to summarize potential metrics. In the next video, we will cover the following stages of the innovation process and keep highlighting potential metrics. Thanks for listening. Feel free to comment, ask questions on this feed and help building a common set of practices and tools. Please register to the YouTube channel to ensure you receive the updates on new videos and feel free to look at my book on Amazon. Thank you. Until the next one.